accessories, water supply device, wheel assembly, water baffle, inner plate for flat cut, and 2-piece hexagon wrench. Number 1. Operating without base plate. Align to the slot. Install the water baffle. Disassemble the baseboard after removing the hexagon screw and butterfly bolt. Fix wheel assembly under the machine. Then tighten the butterfly screw. Attention! Please press the leakage protector button before switching on the machine, and the machine can only begin to cut when it's normally running. Cutting at a constant speed, keep an eye on the working conditions of the machine to avoid any unsafe operation. Operating with base plate. Base plate assembling. Align the base plate to the shield hole. Tighten inner hexagonal screw and butterfly screw. Install water baffle aligning to the slot. Adjusting the depth of cutting. Cutting with base plate. Horizontal cutting. Disassemble the quick release lock and the upper guard cover. Disassemble the pressing plate, blade, plate spacer and turn. Install the flat cutting plate, align blade's hole and tighten the screws, adjusting the angle of cutting.